Welcome, I am Sophia Grace. Take a breath. This is your time to heal. Coughs is the condition we are working with today. In the metaphysical tradition, every physical condition carries with it an emotional signature, a feeling or pattern that has been held in the body long enough to make itself known. This video is your invitation to look a little deeper, not to diagnose, not to worry, but to listen, because the body is always speaking, and healing begins when we are finally willing to hear it. The emotional pattern most associated with coughs is this: a desire to bark at the world. See me, listen to me. Sit with that for a moment. Is there something in those words that resonates? Something in your life, in your history, in the way you have been relating to the world that this speaks to? You do not have to force anything. Simply notice. The awareness itself is the beginning of the shift. Because when we can see the emotional root of something, we are no longer entirely in its grip. We have the space for the first time to choose differently. And the affirmation is where that choice begins. Let the energy settle before beginning. And so, here is your affirmation. Receive these words as a gift, not something to force, but something to breathe into. I am noticed and appreciated in the most positive ways. I am loved. I am noticed and appreciated in the most positive ways. I am loved. I am noticed and appreciated in the most positive ways. I am loved. I am noticed and appreciated in the most positive ways. I am loved. Those words you just heard, they are not a one-time moment. They are a practice. And like any practice, their power grows the more you return to them. Here's how to carry this affirmation into your day. Say it in the morning, before the noise begins, before the phone, before the obligations, before the world makes its demands. Just a few quiet repetitions as you wake. Let it be the first thing you offer yourself. Say it in the in-between moments, walking to the kitchen, waiting for the kettle, sitting in traffic, stepping outside for a breath of air. These small pockets of time are not wasted time. They are your practice. And say it in the hard moments when the feel in this video named rises up and you feel it pulling at you. That is precisely when these words are most needed. That is when you choose them anyway. There is no perfect way to do this. There is only consistency, returning to the words, meaning them a little more each time. Thank you for being present. You showed up. That is everything.